Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually change your font in WordPress. So without any further talking, let's go ahead and open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. From there guys, this page will be opened. So what you'll have to do basically is go to post, for example, and from here you can add new post. For those who doesn't have this page open for them, which is the dashboard, I've made a video about how to be familiar with it, how to use these sections, how to use the menu, and much more options. So to check them out, go and check them out in the latest videos. So now let's click on post, add new, and let's add a new post, which will be something like I don't know, let's copy it from here. Okay, let's copy this and let's close this and let's copy this. Here we go, and we paste it here. Alright, that will work for us. So let's do something like that. Remove this block and keep only this block. Here we will make something like that and click on publish. Let's say for example you didn't like this font. What you have to do is you can change it from here if you want. You can make it big, you can make it smaller, you can choose here the size, here is the paragraph, you can make it as I don't know, whatever you'd like it to be. You can make it a code, you can change the paragraph, you can make the color background, yeah, you can add a lot of stuff to it. Of course, also you can do something like that, which will be going to wait, let me just check this post by going to it. So it will be view, and you can edit it using HTML as well by going to elements, select this, and from here you can change the font, choose whatever font you'd like it to be, and much more from these options in here. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually change the fonts in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.